Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to block traffic from specific countries using the CSF Firewall on your Linux server. This is a quick and effective way to improve your server security and reduce unwanted access. Let's dive right in. CSF, or ConfigServer Security and Firewall, is a popular firewall configuration script designed to provide better security for servers, especially those running CPanel. It allows you to block IPs, manage ports, and yes, block entire countries. To get started, head over to Plugins and click on CSF. Next, click on the CSF tab then. Scroll down and open Firewall Configuration. Next, in the drop-down menu, find the section titled Country Code Lists and Settings and click on it. Here, you'll see an option called Country Code, CC, Allow List, and Country Code, CC, Deny List. To block specific countries, enter their two-letter country codes like CN for China, RU for Russia in the CC Deny List field. Separate multiple codes with commas. Let me block Russia and Poland. To do that, I will enter RU and PL, that is their respective country codes. This will block all incoming traffic from those countries. You can find the full list of country codes in the CSF documentation or with a quick Google search. Once you've added your country codes, scroll down and click Change to save the settings. Then click on Restart CSF plus LFD to apply the changes. To test if the block is working, try accessing your site from a VPN in a blocked country, or check the CSF logs for blocked IPs. That's it! You've successfully blocked countries using CSF in WHM. This helps reduce spam, brute force attacks, and unwanted traffic. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more server security tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.